Dear students, let us solve problem 15th one of exercise 4.5. See here, give possible expression for the length and breadth of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Here area is given. You have to find the length and breadth. That is length and breadth in the form of polynomials. Means we have to factorize the given polynomial and we have to write it as the product of two polynomials. We have to write this polynomial as the product of two polynomials. I will do first one, that is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Look at this polynomial. Here we have 1, 2, 3 terms. It is a trinomial. So you have to factorize this. Factorization of trinomial can be done by using the identity 1 or identity 2. To use identity 1 and 2, first term and the last term should be square numbers. But here first term is a square number but last term is not a square number. So we cannot use identity 1 or 2. If we cannot use the identity 1 or 2, then we have to go for splitting method that you have learnt already. Now use splitting method to solve this. While doing splitting method, here coefficient of a square is 25 and the last term is 12. So first multiply 25 into 12, that is equal to 12 5s are 60, 6 remains, 12 2s are 24, then plus 6, 300. You have to split 300 and you have to get the sum, that is middle number, minus 35. So you have to find two numbers such that their product is 300 and their sum is 35. Which are the two numbers? See here. Now if I take 10 and 25, the sum is 35, but 25 into 10 is 250. That is not possible. Then 11 into, if I take 11, then I have to take here 24, but it is not possible because 4 ones are 4. We won't get 0 at the end. So this is not possible. Then go for, if I take 15, then I have to take, to get the sum 35, I have to take 20. 15 2s are 30, yes, 300. So this is possible. 15 into 20 is 300. You have to find the numbers by trial and error method. Now here the numbers are 20 and 15. 20 plus 15 is 35. 20 into 15 is 300. So here sign is minus 20 minus 15 because sum is minus 35. Minus 20 minus 15 is minus 35. Minus 20 into minus 15 is 300. So the two numbers are minus 20 and minus 15. Now write the first term as it is, 25 square, 25 a square. You have to split the middle term such that you should write it as minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Now grouping. Here common term is 5a. Here 5a minus 4 minus. Here 15 and 12 are divisible by 3, so take 3 outside. Then 5a minus 3 4s are 12, because minus is outside the bracket, so this sign changes. Minus into minus is plus. Now 5a minus 4 is common. Then 5a minus 3. Remaining 5a minus 3. This is the factorization of 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Now if the area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12, then length and breadth are 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. Therefore, length is equal to 5a minus 4, breadth is equal to 5a minus 3. You can interchange length and breadth. You can write length as 5a minus 3 and breadth as 5a minus 4 also. Now second one, you can solve it by splitting method. You have to solve second one, 35y square plus 13y minus 12 by splitting method. Go for next main, that is 16th one. Look at this question. What are the possible expression for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below? Now volume is given, so dimensions of the cuboid. Dimensions of the cuboid are length, breadth and height. It is a three-dimensional. So length, breadth, height. So here volume is given. You have to write this expression as the product of three expressions. See here, first one. 3x square minus 12x. It is a binomial. First, see whether you can solve by using the identity or not. It is a binomial, so only one identity you can apply here, x square minus y square. But to apply that, first number should be a square number, but it is not a square number, and second also not a square number. Here we have only two terms. If we have only two terms, take the common term outside, that is 3 and 12. 3 and 12 is divisible by 3. X square and x, common factor is x. So remaining is, in 3x square we have removed 3x outside, so remaining is x, 1x, minus 3, how much are 12? 3 4s are, then x into 1 is x, so x minus 4. Now we got three factors for 3x square minus 12x, that is 3 into x, then into x minus 4. We got three factors for 3x square minus 12x. One is length, another one is breadth, another one is height. You can interchange length, breadth and height. Now second one, 12k y square plus 8ky minus 20k. First you have to check whether there are common terms or not. 12, 8 and 20 is divisible by 4. 12, 8 and 20 are divisible by 4. So 4 is common, and in each term we have k. So write k outside. So remaining 4 3s are 12, 3, then k we removed outside, then y square, then 4 2s are 8, k we removed outside, then y, minus 4 5s are 20, so 5 here, k is outside the bracket. Now 4k. Now you have to factorize 3y square. plus 2y minus 5. By splitting method, 3 5s are 15. 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 15. You have to split minus 15 such that sum of two numbers is 2. You have to find two numbers such that their product is 15 and their difference is 2. The two numbers are 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Here plus 5 minus 3. Because plus 5 minus 3 is equal to plus 2. Plus 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. So 3y square. Here plus 5y minus 3y. Then last term as it is. Now 4k, write as it is. First and second common term is, here put square bracket, y, then 3y plus 5. Here nothing is common in minus 3y and 5, so 1 is common term. So 3y plus 5. Now see here 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5. 4k write as it is. In these two terms, 3y plus 5 is common. Write it outside, then y minus 1. So here we got 4 factors. 4 is a factor of 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k, and k is also a factor. Then 3y plus 5 is a factor. Y minus 1 is a factor. But here we need only length, breadth and height. So take 4k together, then 3y plus 5 together, then y minus 1. You can interchange length, breadth and height. So length is 4k, breadth is 3y plus 5, height is y minus 1. Or you can take length as 4, breadth as k into 3y plus 5, height as y minus 1. Or you can take length as y minus 1, breadth as k into 3y plus 5, height as 4.